Accessibility isn't just a checkbox, it's a full-on lifestyle. And at UNCG, it's a team sport, minus the sweaty jerseys and post-game Gatorade baths. The digital accessibility team works behind the scenes as advocates to make sure every student, faculty member, and staffer can engage with technology, content, and classrooms without barriers, frustration, or the laptop-flinging urges. Their focus? Training you to do it yourself. They teach instructors how to scan Canvas courses, spot issues, and build accessibility into the design, so learners remember your course for the content, not the obstacles. Need help making your syllabus inclusive? They've got sample language ready to go, so you can skip the 2 a.m. ADA compliance rabbit hole and actually get some sleep. They've also created accessibility checklists for documents, presentations, and multimedia. Because yes, even your PowerPoint needs a logical reading order. And no, I'll fix it later is not a strategy. Working on a bigger project, they partner with departments to create accessibility plans and timelines that make long-term improvements manageable, instead of overwhelming. And when it comes to training, they don't just talk the talk. They host workshops, create self-paced modules, and collaborate across campus to build a culture of care. Think accessibility personal trainers, minus the lunges. At the end of the day, accessibility isn't about checking a box. It's about building courses and content where everyone belongs, because good enough isn't. So whether you're building a course, revising a syllabus, planning for the future, or just trying to be a decent human, they're your accessibility allies. UNCG's Digital Accessibility Team, making inclusion the default, not the exception.